Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Apollo and I like documenting stuff that happens in my life. And for today we have another FJ content focused video. So we just finished up replacing the cabin filter on the FJ, and if you guys have not watched that video yet, spoiler alert, it was nasty. If you want to watch that video, feel free to click here. I'm not sure which side. But today we are going to do another quick mod, and that is the AC condense drain for the FJ. Probably any Toyota enthusiast knows that one of the issues that we have is the frame rust. And the AC condense, I think for 4Runners, Tacomas, and the FJs are the same. It drips directly down to the frame, which I can show you guys right now. So this is your AC drain, and that is a piece of your frame that it drips directly onto. So if you're like me that has not still got my frame coated, that should be one of your concerns, because obviously the water will be dripping on there and it will start to help the rust form on it. So how to access this is, I believe the easiest way is right through under the front right wheel. It is that piece right here. Don't mind my fender flaps. It got, I don't remember, but I got it like this already. I probably got ruined through power washing a little bit, but this right here is the drain. So what we will do today is we will extend that down a little bit so it misses the frame and drips straight to the ground. So it is still currently summer. Probably the best time for me to get reminded about this mod, but I got my FJ in February and I'm looking to get it undercoated before the next winter. So before that, I want to make sure I get this done while I don't have the coating yet, but it's still a good thing even with the coating to do, and you will be needing only two things. So let me show you guys what I purchased. So I dropped by Home Depot. You could probably go to any hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's. You could probably even do this mod in their parking lot. But you would basically need a splicer with the barbs. You would need a 3/8 inner diameter, and then you would just need a pipe. Doesn't really matter if it's black, clear. This came with this part, which I think would be helpful. But just make sure that the inner diameter is 3/8, and that should fit in the splicer, and then the splicer should just connect to the AC condense drain. I will show you guys over here what I spent. It's very cheap. It's like a $10–15 mod that will definitely help you save your frame. So I will get this prepped, and I definitely don't need 10 feet because I think this is 10 feet. Let me measure real quick how much I would need and then cut that off prior to putting it on the barb. I think this is enough. So I think like an arm's length, was that a foot or two? So I will be trimming this here. So just grab in the splicer here, putting this in, should come in there pretty easy. All right, and then now we would just need to put this, connect this to the AC drain. All right, so I decided to cut off the other piece just because it was a little yellowish already, but let me put this in to the AC drain. All right, so there it is. And then I used my wrecked fender mud, whatever it's called, that's clipped on there, and I got it in between there, and it kind of just holds it there, so it will be dripping there instead of the frame. So there you go, and it should be on there pretty good with those two clips holding it and the fender flap. So yeah, that is it. Really quick, easy, probably took me 5–10 minutes. So as you guys just saw, it works perfectly, completely misses the frame. For our next FJ video, I will actually be doing a side mirror mod. I didn't say side mirror glass or whatever because I'm actually doing three things in one go. First is the light, replacing this light As you guys can see, this one's actually surprisingly working. Sometimes this would work, sometimes the other one would work, sometimes both of them works. Most of the time they both don't work. So that's one thing. Replacing this, I'm replacing the whole housing in black, and I'm also picking up the Suma Performance glass that has defrost. Sorry about that. Defrost, side marker indicators, and it's a little bit more convex, so you could eliminates a little bit more of the blind spots. So if you guys enjoyed this type of content, hope to see you guys in the next ones. Please feel free to subscribe, like the video, and as always, keep innovating and stay hungry. Peace.